Where's those eggs from? From Mama?
No.
Yeah, he did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, he did. I used to tell you that all the time before. And you used to always say, Mama.
What are you gonna do, Zeke? Are you gonna dance here?
No, I'm gonna do dirt bike ride.
Oh, dirt bike riding.
Oh.
Man, you're so cool. Are you gonna go fast?
Yeah,
How fast?
really fast.
Faster than Bubba.
Yeah.
There's a couple thoughts on that one.
Look at him go.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. And then that tire's blowing the fuck out.
That's the second thought?
That was the second thought. He made his little turn right here, like, oh yeah, that thing is bad.
They come in tomorrow. Look at him. He looks like a little key now, huh? Here? All right, good job.
Hey, don't look at us, look at the road.
He sits on that thing like a champ.
Yeah.
He knows how to sit with his peg. The last weekend we went out riding, we practiced him keeping his feet on the peg. Big ass boots.
Oh, man, yeah, he's not used to the shoes switch.
How big is the boot like that? Hey, remember how I told you to keep your feet on the pegs? There you go.
We're just hanging out here, huh, Izzy? We're hanging out. We're hanging out while the guys ride. Here he comes, here he comes. Go, dirt bike rider, go! Go, my terremoto. Oh, you're done?
No, the
Just-
mud is too dark.
Why'd you turn it off?
I don't know who was holding me. Look, there's mud. There's mud over there.
Yeah.
Maybe I can ride that mud.
No, I don't think that's that. You can ride all right here. That's just water right there. I don't want you to go over there. Get back on your bike and let's go back that way.
Hold on.
Oh, it's okay, baby girl.
Wait for me. Don't go without me, Mama.
I won't. I'm waiting for you. Come on, dirt bike rider. I'm coming. Where?
Big stadium.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
In a big stadium, and you're gonna go slow.
Slow?
You're gonna go slow.
I'm gonna go fast.
You're gonna go really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
It could be really, real loud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why? The people are gonna be cheering for you.
Yeah.
Oh.